This what we gonna be shooting today. See them hollow, boy? See them hollows? Yeah, that's what we gonna be shooting today. Let's see what it do to this pork shoulder real quick.
Put that tool back behind me. Where that bitch went.
Subscribe to that channel, man. Like, share, all that. Move.
Oh, my neck, my back, my neck and my back.
Welcome back to the channel, people. We out here today having a nice shootout. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell.
Oh my God, I love this
Okay.
Why didn't you pay for this beat though?
Damn, that's from the block. Wow. So you missed the meat? Nah, I hit it.
No, he hit it.
Wow.
It went straight through the
I think bro, you hit the bottom of it where it just cut to the brick too. Nah, the power of this will do that.
Oh my God, I love
It's the
this
pressure.
beat.
All that pressure, yeah.
Guys will fit like their little hands. They chop this shit down.
Why didn't you pay for this beat though?
You know the quit guy, quit the run guy. I'm scared of that Ricky screen.
Run for cover! Save your mama!
It ain't nothing out here for the. Yo, the pressure off that shit is crazy, dog. Now you owe me 2 blocks, bitch.
Man. Got all the curves out there. Ready for the curves. I'm like, heard about that bitch call.
That shit's crazy.
Right.
That's violent.
That was terrible. Yeah, it's all good. Let's do it again.
Purchase your tracks today.
Take 2. Pork shoulder. Hollow tip.
You hear me? So that
God
little
damn.
So that hollow will do to you. See this? Get him out of here.
Hollow tip round. Close up.
Purchase your tracks today.
God damn, it just chopped off a piece of that shit. God damn. So it just chopped off a whole piece.
Purchase your tracks today.
Well, damn. Shit.
Boom right here.
We got metal fragments all in that shit. God dang. Man, look at that Russian, man. Kalashnikov. Oh yeah. That's how we do it out here.
Purchase your tracks today.
God damn.
Nah. Fuck up the block.
Purchase your tracks today.
That's what happens when you get Jamaicans guns out here, man. You're not rocking with Gunsmoke TV, man. We out here, like, share, subscribe. You know what I mean? We out here, man. Every day, all day. Videos once a week.
Live.
I'm about to call my shot, man. I'm about to go for bottom left corner. Hold on. No. I'm gonna do a target on the right. Top right corner.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Alright, cool. It's alright. Wonderful out there out here. How y'all doing, people? How y'all doing out here, man?
That shit shake the ground.
Ah, that nigga kicking up mad dust back here, man. Ah, man. That's that Russian K, man. That thing.
Nice blueprint too. You gotta shoot the top for it. Trying to chop that shit down. No, yeah, though. No, yeah, the chopper them out there. Oh, it's that, yeah? A concrete thing.
AK rounds. Take two.
I get scared, right? Yeah.
It's a kick, yo. Man, that AK kick, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Why didn't you pay for this beat though?
Thanks for tuning in to Gunsmoke TV this week. Like, share, subscribe. We out.